This is Alpha, and I'm the Papa. Welcome to our channel. Hello, Alpha. Say happy birthday, Papa. Oh, okay. Today is Papa's birthday, February 21. So, Alpha is here. He greet me, right? Okay. So, okay, I have a pasalubong for you. Come on, let's go. I have pasalubong for you. Come on. I have pasalubong for you. I have bone. Buto, may buto. Come on, may buto. Stay there. Nandito sa bag ko eh. Wow, may Nandos. Oh, ayan mga paps. Dahil birthday ni Papa today, so we have food. Thank you, anak. Ito, anak, meron ako pasalubong sa'yo. Ito, nasa bag ko. Ito, meron din. May pasalubong din si Papa. Okay, sit muna, sit. This is your food. Sit. Okay, yan mga paps. Sit muna siya. So, sabihin ko ha, stay muna. You need to stay and wait my command before you eat. Okay? Speak. Speak mo. Okay, so okay, sit. I will put here. So, don't eat, okay? Stay, wait. Stay. Wait muna, wait. No, this is the food. Okay, this is your bone. Stay. Ayan mga pap, stay muna siya. No. No. You need to wait my command, okay? Look at me. Look at me first. No. Okay, look at me. Look at me. Don't eat. Ayan si Apa. Look at me, ha? Wait my command before you bite that bone. Okay? So today is my birthday. Eat it. Yan, mga paps. Ayan, hinain na niya. So, ayan lang. That is Apa. And I'm the Papa. This is it. Thank you. Bye-bye.